Welcome to Bandra Railway Station. The station has a total number of 7 platforms and 4 footover bridges. This station has 2 entrances. The main entrance is from the platform 1 and the back entrance is from the footover bridges from platform 7. All the offices are present at platform 1 at the station are RPF, Senior Section Engineer, Head Ticket Collector, Station Manager, Chief Booking Supervisor, Help Desk, Medical, divyang toilet and divyang seats. It has a divyang ticket counter at the main entrance on footover bridge 1 and 2. Footover bridge 1 has stairs and escalators at each platform from platform 1 to 5, stairs at platform 6, 7 and entry exit. Footover bridge 2 has stairs and lift at main entrance and stairs at all the platforms and entry exit. Footover bridge 3 and 4 are interconnected at platform 4, 5. Both the footover bridges has stairs at all the platforms and entry exit. There are wheelchairs and portable ramp available at the station to facilitate people using wheelchair to board the train. Platform numbers in braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio, video in sign language about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with CSR initiative of Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas in association with Samarthanam Trust.